and I'm going to show you our Twitter engine project. So this project was done by me and Sanjana Aluri. So let's have a look at our code. So yeah, as you can see here on the screen, this is the client code, and these are all the functions which we have written, which can be executed by the user, and they can make use of all these features such as register user, login, tweet, retweet, follow a tag, follow a user, etc. And this is the code for our server. So on the server side, the server handles all the requests which are sent by the client, and it provides the appropriate response. So all the requests which are being sent by the client are being handled by our client API handler. So here you can see all the REST APIs that are for all the specific requests sent by the client. This API handler will handle those requests. So that is about our code, and now I'll just show you the execution of our code. So first we'll start our server. So for server, I'll just execute this command ERL. Let's compile the server file. So now, as you can see here, the server file has been compiled without any errors, just some warnings. I'll start the server. So now our server is up and running. Now let's start our API handler as well in order to handle APIs. So client API. This is also compiled, and let's start this as well. So here we'll provide the name, Twitter server, and the address, which is this. Oh, my bad. Now, as you can see, the client is up, and it is up, and this is the process ID of the client. Sounds cool. Now let's create some users. So ERL as name client underscore one. Let's compile the client file as well. Client start. Here we'll provide three values. And now we can see the client is up and running. Let's fire up the other client as well. We'll just start. Client is also up and running. Now let's register a user. For that we are using the command register user. So I'll just register myself. Now here you can see user Vineet has been registered and user Vineet has been logged in, and on the server you can see successfully registered new user Vineet. Now let's register another user here on client 2, which is Sanjana. Sanjana has also been successfully registered. Now moving on, let's send a tweet from Vineet. So we'll use the deliver tweet function to send the tweet. So I'm just tweeting this with the hashtag tweet, and let's also tag Sun. So let's do this tweet once, and now we can see a tweet has been sent, and the server is also telling that this was the tweet sent and the tag tweet was mentioned in it, so that you can see. Now I'll just mention Sanjana in this as well. So initially for my first tweet, as you can see, Sanjana did not receive any tweet because she's not following me. But now, as I'm mentioning her in the tweet, she should ideally get a notification as well. So let's try see what happens. So now, as you can see, after my second tweet, even Sanjana got this in her feed because she was mentioned in my tweet. So that is how mentions work. Now, let me follow Sanjana. So I'm following Sanjana. Now let's send a tweet from Sanjana's end. Twitter is cool. So as you can see, Sanjana has tweeted this. You can see this on the server side, as well as you can see it over here that I got a notification as well, even though I was not mentioned. I got the notification because I was following Sanjana. So that is how follow works. Now I'll subscribe to a let's subscribe let's make Sanjana subscribe to a tag. So she'll subscribe to the tag UF. Now I'll send another tweet where I'll enter hashtag UF is cool. So now since Sanjana is following this tag, she should get the notification. UF is fun. So now as the tag UF was there, Sanjana got that notification as well. Now let's find out all the tags which are there, which all the tweets which contain the tag UF. So I run the get tag tweet function. Now since there is only one tweet, or that tweet is being shown. Now let's send a tweet from Sanjana as well, which will contain another tweet which has the tag UF. UF is in Florida. Now if I do get tag tweets, I should get two, and now you can see here I'm getting two tweets which contain the tag UF. That is how the get tag tweet is working. Now let's find the following also. So get tags followed by you. Since I'm not following anything, I didn't get anything. Now let's try this from Sanjana's end. Now since Sanjana is following the tag UF, she's getting this response. So let's, from my end, I'll try to find out the tweets which are being made by Sanjana. So here this I get a list of all the tweets which have been made by Sanjana. So yeah, these are most of the functionalities which our Twitter engine can handle, and our client API handles all these requests. So and Chicago boss was used here. So yep, that is about our project. Thanks a lot.